So guys, we tried to go to Texas, got stranded on the side of the road. The belt that Goodyear put on last week fell off, wrapped around the pulleys on the water pump, so it overheated. So it took me 4 hours to get home by letting it stop, cool, stop, cool, stop, cool to get it back. So I called the hot shop mechanic that worked on 2 other cars for me. He did an emergency visit for me this morning, and they've been working on it all morning trying to get it going. So she's running. So now we got to see if they could change the temperature fuse or whatever, some part, because the temperature gauge don't work. But anyway, 1 week I paid for Goodyear to do that, and that thing fell off. I called Goodyear this morning. Oh, that man was so mean to me. So I will be contacting an attorney over this. But anyway, let's see what else is going on. But I just thought I would share another Dolly dilemma. So one of these days we're going to get out of here. I don't know when. I'm already 5 days behind, but we're trying. All right, guys. Bye.